attempt 1 at trying to get Alexa stuck. I can't understand it. Oh no, I'm about to join a sequence. A queue, whatever it is. I don't know.
I keep getting this dumb queue with 6
It's like, I keep on getting in there too. Why you look like that? Just, you know, photo shoot. Photo shoot, bestie. I was so close. How do you even get on there in the first place?
I was stuck in here, and I just kept jumping, and then I like shot.
Alright. Already then try that.
I just ended up right here.
Oh, you get in. No, not that way. Yeah, get in. Here, come on. Alright, let me get out real quick. I'm stuck. I'm on the chandelier. What the? No. Alright, yeah. Alright. No, you have to get in first. You have to get in first. No, I have to get it. No, I don't know at this point. I'm stuck. Like, I can't get out this time. Like, I'm actually stuck. I'm actually stuck. I can't move. I can't move. I think I might have to reset. I actually can't go anywhere. Oh my god, I got out. Oh my gosh, I keep on turning off freaking queue and so much. Ready, stay right there. I'm trying to get it. Alrighty. I'm jumping. Go. Go, Power Rangers. Bestie, we gotta get you on that channel. No, you have to get him before me. Let me get out. Let me get out. Okay. Ready, go, get stuck. Yeah. Oh no! I flew out the back. Alright, I flew out the back. Get in. The way you play. Just go. Like, start walking a little bit. Jump. Are you jumping? Hold down the jump button. Oh, now I have to get back out. Oh my gosh, so weird. Get in. Get in here. Bestie, get in. Get inside the chair right there. Oh, yeah, there. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Well, this is great. I almost wasn't down there. Jump. Yeah, get stepped on. I'll poop on your face if all for all I care. No, I went up. I almost got up. Upsies. Alexi, get up. Alexi, get upsies. I just got stuck in the wall. I'm like crying. Go. What has our life come to?
I don't know.
I've been I've been recording this whole thing too.
Oh no.
My whole game just started lagging. I feel like it's
I just
about
want
half.
to get the shape of here.
Go! I just like glitched right there. Go! I'm giving you upsies. Go! No, jump. Yeah, jump. You just like, all right, go, go, go,
Think so?
No!
Wait, do that again. Do that again.
Oh, it's not working. Go, go, go. Oh my god, I almost got up there.
I was so close.
I almost got up there. I almost got up
Honestly, I think I was closer than this.
there. I'm stuck. Proxy! Look, it's Proxy's not a game. Mm.
I did it, but I got, you know.
We should tell Proxy our YouTube channel.
We'll tell him. Best you scoot over a little bit. Like, scoot back a little bit. Oh, Bessie, I did it. No! I fell.
We should start recording videos with Proxy more. It won't let me say Chungus. How we're plugging our YouTube on YouTube. I can't. Chandler. I was right there.
Everyone's watching us.
We're being watched. Wait, jump on people's heads. Jump on people's heads. We need to get on the channel. Jump on people's heads.
Oh my god.
Jump on Proxy's head.
No, wait. You jump on his head, and I'll jump on your head.
Get up. No. Jump on my head. Just jump on my head and try and get up. Jump on my head and try and get up.
I'm gonna shoot. Now jump. Alright, come on and jump.
Go. Alright, now we go. Now let's go. Come on. Get in. Oh, they already left. Proxy left. So sad. Alrighty. You already got on.
No, I need to stay on. And I want to sing, I want to swing from the Chandler.
I almost got up. The ladder's blocking my way.
Bessie.
No. Alright, go. Get up. Jump on my head again. That worked last time.
I'm not.
Alright, just get on my head. You will. Yeah, go.
I can't even get on your head.
Go. Get on my freaking head. Go. That was my fault.
Not too far.
We need to get closer. Alright, is that close enough? Ready, and go. Go! I hate you. I told you to go.
I did go.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't, Mike.
Let's see if I don't swing from Chandler.
Listen, oh my gosh. Just try and go right now. Like, try and go.
Okay.
Jump.
Jump.
Go.
You gotta say go first.
I said go. Already. Go.
Now I have to sing.
Go, sing. You sing.
Wait, I gotta sing it in taps. I wanna swim from the chandelier.
You just look in chat to see that. Wait, let's see if I can like catapult myself up there. No, I want to get up there.
Nessie, that was beautiful.
No,
You can't get up.
I was right there. Alrighty, are we gonna go in the game now? I've been recording this whole time. No, I need to get up. I need to get up now. No, I need to get up now. Let me get up now. Oh no, let me get up. No, stop it. No, I get up this time. Alright.
Start jumping.
You have to say go, stupid.
Oh.
Wait, that dude's on your head. What are you talking about, go? That dude was on your head, not me. Alright, let me get, like, on.
Go.
Let's see, more. This is my hand. Didn't work out. Ready?
Go.
Alright, no, I give up. Let's go. That loser went by yourself. Alright, come on. Come on, bestie, let's go.
I gotta plug in my charger.
Oh my gosh, nobody.
Okay, go.
Alright, now I need...
Sorry, I'm leaving this.
Alright, guys, this is my boyfriend, the butler. You know, I sat on him, and then, you know... No, stop it, he's my boyfriend. Stop it, no. Stop it, it's my boyfriend.
Another chandelier. I wanna get up.
Jump on my head. Jump on my head.
If I get up first try, you have him.
Huh?
Oh, come on. Try. Ooh.
No, let me try and get up. Let me try and get up.
Wait. Just get on this dresser.
Yes. How do you get on the dresser, stupid? I got up on the dresser.
I'm inside the dresser.
I'm on the chandelier.
No.
Wait, record this. Alexis, record it. No, get down. Get down.
I'm not recording.
Alexis, oh no.
No.
That's sabotage.
Go. Where'd he go?
Me here. I need to give my boyfriend kisses. What are you doing?
I'm going to talk to them.
I just gave my boyfriend a kiss.
Let's go.
Yeah, it's my boyfriend, not yours. Remember that. Wow. I hope you die from the spikes. Bestie, why'd you push me?
He keeps talking to me.
Oh, I need to turn off the recording.